How to tag someone on Facebook story from iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually tag someone on your Facebook story from iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So maybe you actually uploaded a Facebook story, you're not being able to tag someone, you want to learn how to tag. Then if that is the case, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to make sure to actually update the Facebook app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Facebook and go ahead and simply download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now, in order to actually tag someone on Facebook story from iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and create a new story by tapping on this plus button on the left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on create a story, I'm going to go ahead and simply select any of a demo story right on this page. Let me go ahead and actually simply type in any type of test story or something else. Now there are basically two ways you can add someone on your story. And that is that first is through the text icon itself. What you have to do is simply actually tap on this text button which you see, and then let's say you want to tag someone. What you have to do is simply hit @ on your keyboard. Once you hit @ on your keyboard, you have to enter the name of the person you actually want to tag. As soon as you enter the name, you'll be able to see their Facebook profile right over here. You have to tap on it, and that person will be automatically tagged to this story. If you want to tag through the other way, let's say, what you have to do is actually swipe all the way from the bottom towards up again. Let me just go ahead and show you. You have to swipe from bottom to the upper side. If you don't mind, keep swiping, and then you'll be able to see these options. Over here at the left hand side, you'll be able to see this option called tag. In order to tag someone, again, this is another fancy way. You have to tap on this tag button, and you can see a bunch of the people whom you might actually want to tag. Again, you can simply use the search box to search your desired friends and go ahead and then just simply enter the name. If you want to change the style of this text, you have to simply tap on it and then tap again, and you can see the style will automatically get changed as you keep tapping on it. Now you could go ahead and publish this story by tapping on the share the story at the bottom of the screen. You could also go ahead and change your privacy from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And this is basically how you can tag someone on your Facebook story from iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.